peace of mind, thanks to Miele. Deep cleaning, even on the most demanding of floor coverings. The spring-loaded electro brush vacuums dust out of carpets and into the floor head. From here, it's conveyed by the strong airstream into the telescopic suction tube. The soiled air is then drawn through the suction hose connection and re-enters the appliance. The air is directed straight into the dust bag. The 9-layered fleece filters the dust and dirt from the air. The clean air then passes through the motor protection filter and leaves the dust compartment in the direction of the floor head. Here the air passes through the fan and Miele's special exhaust filter and out into the room. With Miele's S7, the telescopic tube and the hose and the handpiece are cleverly incorporated into the air circuit. This means that the handle is always ready for use. The power level can also be regulated when working with the handle unit. This allows delicate surfaces to be vacuumed gently but thoroughly.